Hello traders, welcome to the channel. Identifying a valid pullback can be a challenging task for many traders. Most traders struggle to find a valid pullback, and as a result, they end up losing money. So, in today's video, we're going to learn all 4 types of secret pullbacks, from very basic to super advanced. And after this video, you'll be able to identify all valid pullbacks with 100% accuracy. Let's break it down and get started. Alright, here we have 4 types of pullbacks. Pause the video and try to figure out which one is the valid pullback. If you're thinking the second option is correct, well, that's not a valid pullback. The correct pullback is first, second, and third one. Let's explore it in detail so you can confidently get it right every time. First, let's understand why pullbacks are very important. If you don't know a valid pullback, your SMC market structure will be inaccurate. Without a proper market structure, you won't be able to identify valid order blocks, and ultimately, your entry setup will be incorrect. This can lead to significant potential losses. But don't worry, by the end of this video, you can able to identify valid pullback with 100% accuracy. First, let's break down level 1 of valid pullback for a bullish move. In step 1, you have to identify the last bullish candle. Here, in this bullish move, this is the last bullish candle. Then in step 2, wait for the market to break the low of the last bullish candle. When the market breaks the low of the last bullish candle, then in step 3, we have to wait for the market to break the high of the last bullish candle. When the market breaks its high, this is known as a valid pullback. Let's take a look at one more example. So, in this bullish move, you have to identify the last bullish candle. This is the last bullish candle. Then wait for the market to break its low. When the market breaks the high of the last bullish candle, it is known as a valid pullback. Let's discuss the advanced concept of level 1. So, in this bullish move, you have to identify the last bullish candle. Most traders will say, this is the last bullish candle. Then, they will wait for the market to break its low. But here, the market directly breaks its high. So, the question is it a valid pullback? 90% of traders will say it is not a valid pullback because the market did not break the low of a last green candle, but it is a valid pullback. Because in this bullish move, this is not a last bullish candle. Last bullish candle is a red one. First market breaks its low, then its high. Therefore, it is a valid pullback. So finally, guys, I am going to reveal one of the most powerful TradingView indicators, the SMC ICT Price Action Advanced Indicator. This indicator has 50+ powerful features. Like, this indicator can draw true SMC market structure with 100% accuracy. It can also mark ICT fractal market structure. Most importantly, this indicator can mark order block, breaker block, mitigation block, and demand and supply zones. This indicator can mark 100% accurate pullbacks using true SMC. It can also mark scoob and bullish scoob. Using this indicator, you can mark multi-time frame order blocks. It can draw fair value gaps, liquidity, support, resistance, breakouts, and more. If we look at a recent gold example, the market is perfectly bullish from the indicator's order block. This indicator has 50+ powerful features. If you want to trade like an institution, you can message me to purchase this indicator on Telegram. If you purchase today, you will also get 5 SMC and ICT free PDF courses. Okay, let's practice some bullish example. In this bullish move, you need to identify the last bullish candle, which is this green candle. Then, wait for the market to break its low. Then its high. This is a valid pullback. Now, again, identify the last bullish candle. Wait for the market to break its low, then its high. So, this is another valid pullback. Once more, we identify the last bullish candle, which this time is a red candle. The market has already broken its low. When the market breaks its high, this is known as a valid pullback. Let's practice some bearish examples. In step 1, we have to identify the last bearish candle, which is this red candle. Then, in step 2, wait for the market to close above the last bearish candle. When the market closes below the last bearish candle, this is known as a valid pullback. Now, again, identify the last bearish candle. Wait for the market to break its high, then its low. This is known as a valid pullback. Again, identify the last bearish candle. Wait for the market to break its high, then its low. And this is a perfect pullback. Once more, identify the last bearish candle. First, the market will break its high, then its low. It is the perfect pullback. If you want more videos like this, make sure to subscribe and hit the bell icon. Next, let's dive into Level 2, the inside bar pullback. Step 1. Identify the last bullish candle, which is this green one. Wait for the market to break its low. But here, the market directly breaks its high. Can you guess if this is a valid pullback? The answer is no. For a pullback to be valid, the market should break its low first. Again, in this bearish move, identify the last bearish candle, which is the red one. Wait for the market to break its high. But here, the market directly breaks its low. So, this is an invalid pullback. Finally, I am going to reveal one of the advanced levels of pullback identification. All right, in step 1, you need to identify a bullish candle, like this green one. Then, we have to wait for the market to close below the green candle. But in this case, the market makes an equal high, and the power of the green candle shifts to red. Next, we wait for the market to close below the red candle. When the market breaks its high, it forms a valid pullback. Let's look at more examples. First, identify the last bullish candle. Then, wait for the market to close below the green candle. But if the market makes an equal high, the power of the green candle shifts to red. Once the market breaks the low of the red candle, it forms a valid pullback. Finally, I am going to reveal the super advanced level of pullback identification. Here we have to identify the last bullish candle. For a valid pullback, market should break its low first, but here market breaks both high and low. So when the same candle breaks low and high of the previous candle, then it is said to be a valid pullback. Then, in step 3, we have to wait for a market break high of double-sided sweep candle. When the market breaks its high, it is said to be a valid pullback. Thanks guys for watching this video. If this video is helpful for you, don't forget to like and subscribe for more trading tips. See you in the next one.